Here we go, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to create a free AI video through this website. It's actually pretty cool stuff, and we'll go through it and you can see how good it is, and maybe this will be of some help to you and you can put it to use to your work or anything. Okay, now it's basically paid services. They just give you a free AI video, which you know, like basic ones. So with the paid ones you have a lot of additional stuff. It's $30 per month for 10 video credits, which is not bad at all. If you're in need of something like this one, then I think $30 worth it. So let's create one. Okay, click on this, create AI free video, and you can choose the template here. Sales page, yes. Hi world, follow me, basically. Okay, and of course change your lives. All you have to do is click continue. This window pops up. You have to fill in the details and they will send you the video to your email after reviewing it. That is not some kind of shady stuff or whatever. Now the website is called synthesia.aio. Here it is, and I'll show you how the video turns out in the end. There you go.
With Synthesia, you can easily convert any presentation into engaging videos in more than 40 languages. Here are some examples.
To adhere to social distancing guidelines from the government, only half of all employees can work from the office at any given time. Those who feel uncomfortable going to the office are welcome to work remotely until the end of 2021.
This quarter we saw a significant improvement in our operational efficiency, which has positively affected our net income. We reduced return rates by 12% and renegotiated pricing with our courier. Unfortunately, we also saw less than expected growth in revenue due to the effects of COVID-19, which dampened customer demand.
This week, we have 3 new faces joining us. John is joining the UX team, where he will be working primarily on the mobile app. Luna will assist our enterprise customers with a primary focus on our agency clients. Daniel will head up front-end design of our new smartwatch application, which is planned for release in 6 months.
There you go, guys. That's how it looks. So let me know how you feel about this one, and if you have any questions, send across. I'll try my best to answer you guys. Have a great day, guys. Cheers.